Class 6 computer session ending examination 2006. Time 1 hours. Maximum mark 30. 1 question 1 mark. 10 question 10 marks. So is the correct answer. Section A, multiple choice questions. Question 1. What is a computer? Option A, any electronic machine. Option B, a type of television. Option C, a calculator only. Option D, a mobile phone. Option A, any electronic machine. Question 2. Which part of the computer is chilled? The brain of the computer. Option A, monitor. Option B, keyboard. Option C, CPU. Option D, mouse. Right answer, option C, GPU. Question 3. Which of the following is any input device? Option A, printer. Option B, monitor. Option C, keyboard. Option D, speaker. Right answer, option C, keyboard. Question 4. Which of the following is any output device? Option A, mouse. Option B, keyboard. Option C, monitor. Option D, scanner. Right answer, option C, monitor. Question 5. MS Word is any example of? Option A, system software. Option B, utility software. Option C, application software. Option D, hardware. Right answer, option C, application software. Question 6. Small pictures on the desktop are chilled. Option A, Windows. Option B, icons. Option C, files. Option D, folders. Right answer, option B, icon. Question 7. Which device is used to store data permanently? Option A, RAM. Option B, hard disk. Option C, CPU. Option D, cache. Right answer, option B, hard disk. Question 8. Which button of the mouse is commonly used to select items? Option A, left button. Option B, right button. Option C, scroll button. Option D, middle button. Right answer, option A, left button. Question 9. The full form of CPU is? Option A, central processing unit. Option B, computer processing unit. Option C, central printing unit. Option D, control processing unit. Right answer, option A, control processing unit. Question 10. When a file is deleted, it goes to? Option A, desktop. Option B, control panel. Option C, cycle bin. Option D, my computer. Right answer, option C, cycle bin. Section B, short answer questions. Two question. One question 5 marks. Two question 10 marks. Question 11. Define input and output device with examples. Answer. Output device are used to enter data into the computer. Examples: keyboards, mouse, scanner, output device are used to display or give results from the computer. Example: monitor, printer, speaker. Question 12. Write any three function of a CPU. Its processing data. Its control all operation of the computer. Its performs calculation and logical operation. Question 30. Differential between RAM and ROM. ROM, temporary memory. Permanent memory. Data is lost when power is off. Data is not lost when power is off. Use during working. Storage permanent instruction. Question 14. What is MS Word? Read its use. MS Word is a word processing software used typing letters and documents, editing text, formatting documents. Question 15. Rate any two use of the internet. Sending email, searching information, also online class, shopping, banking. Section C. Long answer 5 marks. Yes. Question 16. Explain the IPO input process output cycle. The IPO cycle explain how a computer works. Input data is entered using input device like keyboard or mouse. Processing CPU process the data. Output result is shown on monitor or printed. Example: if we type 5 plus 3 CPU. वीडियो को लाइक, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब प्लीज. जय हिंद, वंदे मातरम. Calculate monitor show 8. Question 17. Last. Explain the main component of the desktop screen. Main components of the desktop: icons, small pictures, referencing fields or programs, taskbar, bar at the bottom of the screen, start button used to open programs and settings, wallpaper, background image of the desktop.